Hey guys, for 6.3 we want to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So in order to do that, you need to prove at least one of these following statements below is true. Alright, we need to prove that it's a parallelogram, so we need at least one of these statements to be true. Alright, the first one is we need to prove that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, right? We talked about them being parallel today, but this time we need to prove it. So, in order to do that, you would have to find the slope. Remember, matching slopes equal parallel lines.
Alondra Hernandez, please come to attendance. Alondra Hernandez, please come to attendance.
Hope she finds her way to attendance. Okay, so number 2, both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. All right, and a hint for that one would be using the distance formula, right? If we want to prove that they're congruent, we're going to have to make sure that they're each the same length. So we would use the distance formula, y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. You would sum those together and then take the square root. All right. You would also need to, you could show that both pairs of opposite angles are congruent, and then you would prove it was a parallelogram. And if you could show that the diagonals bisect each other, it would prove it was a parallelogram. And that you would want to use the midpoint formula. For those of you that have forgotten that one, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And then lastly, you would need to prove that one pair of opposite sides is both parallel and congruent. That would be 6.3, proving a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Only one of these, okay? All right, that is your 6.3 video.